In the late 1990s, Sobral was a quiet city in rural northeast Brazil. Its schools were failing. More than half of second graders couldn't read. But by 2017, Sobral had done the unthinkable. It soared from 1,366th place out of 5,570 municipalities in 2005 to the very top of Brazil's National Education Index. A rural city with around 200,000 people became an education reform lab for the world to learn from. How did they do it? 4 bold moves changed everything. Step 1. Political will. In 1997, newly elected Mayor Cid Gomes made education his top priority. He appointed his brother, Ivo, as Secretary of Education. Together, they declared a bold goal: 100% literacy by second grade. Step 2. Coaches. Sobral didn't get more money. Instead, it made smarter choices. Larger classes freed up funds to place a coach or pedagogical coordinator in every school. Teachers trained and met weekly to improve together. Every teacher received feedback every week on how to be a better teacher. Step 3. Regular assessments. Every month, students take tests to track their progress, enabling real-time course correction. Every 2 years, they take assessments run by the Ministry of Education's Assessment Agency to provide Sobral's government with objective results. Step 4. Accountability. Every week, the Secretary of Education, who is appointed by the mayor, meets with school leaders to discuss which schools are struggling and why. The ministry changed policies to hire principals based on performance and competencies, not connections. The mayor's team and principals tackled problems together, relentlessly. In just a few years from 1997, Sobral students started to improve. In 2001, only 34% of 6-year-olds could read. But 3 years later, 90% could. Within 20 years of Cid Gomes leading the charge, Sobral ranked first in Brazil for literacy and numeracy. Today, over 90% of second graders in Sobral can read. The town that once struggled is now a lighthouse for reform. Sobral teaches us that it's not about wealth, size, or fancy technology. It's about will, focus, and belief in every child's right to learn. Sobral is on the right track. What will your country do for your children?